We're making a B-52 shot, but we're making it flaming. And this video is brought to us by Manscaped and their brand new Weed Whacker nose and air hair trimmer. Okay? But we can get to this in a second. Let's make the drink first. Okay, first things you start with your Kahlua. You hit it with the Kahlua? Now this is a classic, right? But the thing is, most people don't make this classic flaming, so that's what makes this different. You come behind that with your Irish cream. I could run this down the side, but I can just use the back of the spoon. And let's let this just rest right there. Oh yeah. How's that working out? Oh yeah. Perfect. We can hit this with our Grand Marnier. Alright? Oh yeah. Bang! That right there is a B-52. But to get it to flame, you need some gasoline. So we can hit it with some Bacardi 151. Just right on top, just like that. Bango! Guys, before I light this up, let me tell you about Manscaped and their brand new Weed Whacker. They spent over a year developing this ear and nose hair trimmer because I'm old school. You know, I never used one of these. I would go in with a knife and just carve stuff. You know, sometimes you scratch your brain, okay? That's bad for you. Use this. And this right here has a 9,000 RPM engine with a 360-degree rotary dual blade system. You can't beat that. It's cordless and it has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that's good for up to 90 minutes, okay? So if you're very hairy, like your nose is full of stuff, you could go in there for 90 minutes, okay? But if you could do that, I suggest you get a job at National Geographic, okay? Not behind the camera, in front. That was mean. Okay, but you're hairy. So go to manscaped.com/tipsy so you can get 20% off this. And there you have it, the flaming B-52. Woo-hoo-hoo! Guys, before you do a flaming shot, you got to blow the bad boy out, okay? Arriba, abajo, para el centro, adentro. I don't drink often, but when I do, it's good stuff. Oh, it's good. That's why that's such a popular shot. Like when I do like this, like how far can you see? Can you see like the base of my brain? Can you see it? Huh?
I don't want to get any closer.
Guys, as always, drink responsibly. Do not drink and drive. Thank you, Manscaped.